Oh, is that for us? FedEx?
Cam kit.
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, Christmas special cam kit.
They just keep coming in.
Okay. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be changing out the cam on my wife's truck, the bright pink truck. Quick little story. I don't think I ever showed it on camera here on the video, but if you follow me on Instagram, you've seen that I cammed a TBSS. He came a pretty good friend of mine. The first time I cammed his truck, I put a TSP stage 2 cam in it. He drove that for like, a couple of months. Then he wanted to go with the bigger cam. The first time that I cammed his truck, he gave me his stock TBSS cam. And as you know, my wife's truck right now has a TBSS cam in it. It came out of that TBSS. And then the second time that I cammed that truck, that second cam that I put in it is going in my wife's truck too. So that TBSS has been a donor for my wife's truck twice already. I already got everything set up. Dinoco here, chilling. Shout out to New Wheels. But yeah, this is pretty much everything I took out and kept. So this is a cam. He only drove it for like, I think he said like maybe 2,000 miles or something like that. Can't remember. But this is the specs right here. It's just a stage 2, nothing too big. And she don't want nothing like too crazy either way. And then valve springs. And then stock TBSS push rods, which is, I'm pretty sure they're the same as a stock truck push rods, but I might swap them out. This one's probably have less miles than what this motor has. I think this motor has probably like 130,000 miles. But yeah, I already got my tools set up. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move my wife's truck, put it right here. That way I can work on it pretty good. I'm not gonna show too much of the cam swap because obviously I done like, I don't know how many videos of cam swap. So if you want to learn how to do a cam swap, go back to my other videos that I've done of how to do cam swaps. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We did do the VVT delete, so it's got the new LS1 or like LS2 timing cover. So that's the only thing that it has. It didn't have DOD, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it torn apart. Once I get to the cam, I'll get back to you guys. That way, see me taking out the cam and, the cool part. Good time, nice and slow. You already know. Nice and easy. Put it to the side, throw some glue on it. The more lube, the better. That's what she said. Here we go. Nice and slow. Go. TSP stage 2 cam is in. I just gotta do the valve springs. It's got the TBSS valve springs. They come yellow like that. So I just gotta put in these other ones that will hold up with that cam. And after that, put it all back together and fire it up. Pretty simple. So should be done in like an hour or so. What it do? Oh, you know, just doing free labor here.
Hell yeah. Free labor. All day, every day. Get you a Dinoco. If you don't keep your tools like this, organized, you ain't doing it right. Because how can you work if you don't have your tools organized? Where are you going to know where anything is at? Don't be that messy guy.
It takes longer. You can't find them most of the
Oh,
time.
is that for us? FedEx?
Cam kit.
Oh, I think it is.
Yeah, Christmas special cam kit. Don't forget. Here comes another one.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Guess what?
They just keep coming in.
I already had one. I had come in Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Because I bring Christmas. I'm guessing.
He probably knows what it is.
Well, it has the tape, BTR.
Oh yeah.
So he probably knows what it is.
Guys, I am obsessed with pink. If y'all haven't gotten that yet. Like, literally. Pink is my favorite color. Right, babe?
Yep, apparently. Hopefully it don't blow it. Alright, so what I want you to do first is full throttle it and hold it, and then turn the key, but keep holding it.
Okay. So, I guess tell me when you're gonna go.
There, that should be good. It's just priming the motor, getting the oil circulating.
So now?
Well, just don't press the gas, just turn it on. Yeah, let it sit in.
I want to sound like you, damn it. Oh,
Okay.
oh, she's chopping now.
Chop. She chop.
She's chopped.
Chop,
Hey, give me that chop, cam. Am I like watching approved now?
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna have any trouble driving it like that until we get it tuned. Obviously, it's gonna need a tune, but it's not trying to die or anything.
All right, I'm out. Bye.
Let's go around. Another Taquach is born. I'm very surprised it's not trying to turn off. Alright guys, so there you have it. Just a quick little simple cam swap video on my wife's truck. I just wanted to film it since it's my wife's truck, you know, kind of special to me. Yeah, it's Cam, she's happy. As long as she's happy, that's all that matters. Yeah, see you guys in the next video.